Alright, so you having problems playing the 4K links or better audio files? So how do we fix that? Well, MX Player we could fix it with the install of the codec. So the first thing you want to do, go into your settings, My Fire TV, developer options, and make sure apps from unknown sources is turned on. And go back home. Then install an app called Downloader, which is right here. If you don't have it, just go up here to the top left, search, hit download it. It's a free download. Okay. Go to your downloader, type in that website, mxplayerdownload.co. Hit go. It'll bring you right here. And when you get on the page, just go to your MX Player codec. And I do the all-in-one. Seems to work. Everything has been working. No problems with anything. So it's the MX Player all-in-one zip. Just click it. It'll download it. They have other codecs here too, depending on what version you have. So we keep scrolling down. There are more. Alright, but that's the one we're going to use. So now to install it, you just go to your MX Player. You're going to go to the top right, the three dots. Go down to settings. You're going to go down to Dakota. And scroll all the way down to the bottom. Custom codec. Tells you which codec you should be using. I'm going to click that. Folder up. I'm going to go into Downloader because that's what we downloaded it with that app. And there it is. MXAIO zip. Click it. It'll restart the app. And that's it. You're all done. So now all your 4K links, all that better audio is going to work. Go back into settings. You can check it out. See how it's linked to it now? It's linked to the mxaio.zip. So if you want to look at, I also have my settings. I have the HW working, but I use the SW audio. So I could raise the volume boost. You could like double the volume. You go into audio, you have a volume boost button here, but it doesn't work on HW, only on HW plus or SW. So that's how I have my options. And everything seems to run smooth on these options that I have. So I've had no issues at all. So I hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully this fixes your problem with 4K links and stuff.